13 News Now at 4 begins with record-breaking COVID-19 cases in Virginia and in Hampton Roads. Today, the state and 6 of the 7 cities seeing new infections rise to numbers we've never seen in the last 2 years. Our team is bringing you the facts about the post-Christmas surge. Allie Weatherton is following how local health departments are meeting the demand for testing. But we're going to start with Dan Kennedy breaking down the troubling trends.
It's hard to believe, but today Virginia reported more than 12,000 new cases of COVID-19, shattering any previous record. Last January we saw around 9,000 cases a day. There was a time around the Delta variant when we were looking at 4,000 a day. Earlier this week we saw a couple 8,000, but never until today have we surpassed more than 10,000 cases a day. But sadly, that's what happened. Taking a look at hospitalizations, a very steep rise in hospitalizations statewide. So throughout the entire pandemic, only 3 times have we surpassed more than 2,000 patients. We saw it last winter around this time. We saw it during the Delta surge this fall, and we're seeing it right now as we head into a new year a little later this week. Taking a look at some of our local cities, every local city today hit a record in terms of new cases with the exception of Chesapeake. This is Virginia Beach reporting 655 new cases, their most by far throughout this entire pandemic. Hampton looking at 233 new cases there. By the way, Hampton has the highest percent positivity of tests coming back. About 23% of tests are coming back positive in Hampton. And then this is a look at Chesapeake, which reported 282 new cases. Chesapeake, like many other cities, is looking at a positivity rate closer to around 17 to 18%. We'll keep a very close eye on all these numbers as we head into this week. Dan Kennedy, 13 News Now.
North Carolina adding 9,300 new cases today. That's 5,000 more infections than yesterday and the highest we've seen since early September. 2,100 people are in the hospital fighting the virus, with more than 480 of them in the ICU.